Hello friends, welcome back to the series of Cisco Practicals. Today we are going to learn the concept of static routing. Launch Cisco Packet Tracer. We will take a simple example of static routing. First of all, create two networks. Go to network devices, take switch. We will take 24 port switch. Put one switch over here and one switch over here. Now go to end devices, select PC. I'm going to put three PCs each in both the networks. Go to connections, use automatic connection to create star topology. Now assign IP addresses to these PCs. This is my network A. With network address 192.168.10.0, and this is my network B with network address 192.168.20.0. These are the network addresses. Next task is to assign IP addresses to the PCs. Go to PC 0 of network A, desktop, IP configuration, network address 192.168.10. Let us start with 10. And the default gateway of network A will be 192.168.10.1. Similarly, assign IP addresses to other PCs also. PC1 IP address is 192.168.10.11. Gateway address remains same. PC2 of network A. All the PCs of network A will have same gateway 192.168.10.1. Now go to network B and assign the IP addresses similarly. So we'll see over here. Here we can go with 192.168.20.10 with gateway 20.1. Similarly, the other PCs 20.11, 20.12. We can differentiate the two networks by choosing different some colors like this. This is network B, network A, and this is my network B. Next task is to connect these two networks using two routers. Go to network devices, go to router, and we are going to select PT router from here. Place one PT router for network A and another PT router for network B. Now go to connections, take state cable and connect switch 0 to router 0 through fast Ethernet port only. So let us take fast Ethernet 0 by 0 over here. Similarly, take state cable and connect router 1 fast Ethernet 0 by 0 port to the switch of network B. Now in network A, our gateway address is 192.168.10.1. If you see over here, let us first of all show the port addresses over here. Go to option preferences. Always show port labels in logical workspace. Now if you see over here, my network A is connected with this router through port FA 0 by 0. The gateway address which was assigned to all the pieces of network A will be assigned to this port also. Click on the router 0 configuration, go to fast Ethernet 0 by 0, switch it on. Often students make this mistake of not switching it on. This should be your first step. Now write the gateway address over here 192.168.10.1 as we did in the previous practicals. And now you will see your router 0 is connected with the green signal over here is connected with the network A. Similarly, in the router 1 which is connected to network B, go to router configure fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Do not forget to switch it on. Now write the gateway address of network B over here, and now your router is connected. In the next part, we are going to connect the two routers. If you see now, until in all the practicals, we have used either straight cable or cross cable. In this, to connect two routers, we will use serial DCE cable, which is shown over here, the cable with a clock. Now this, because it is serial DC cable, select this cable. Serial DC cables are always connected to serial ports. Go to router 0, and here we are having serial 2 by 0. We can use any serial port. So I am going to connect serial 2 by 0 port with router 0 and router 1. Now these two routers are physically connected. Now if you see over here, you can see we are having one more network which is in between router 0 and router 1. We can mention it over like this. So or we can, so we will see this is one more network is there between router 0 and router 1. So we can highlight it separately. So this is my network. Now, because this is network, I have to assign some network address to it. So let us assign the network address. This is what we can call it as a WAN which is wide area network, and address can be, let us take 10.0.0.0. Now we are having now three networks, network A, network B, and a WAN with address 10.0.0.0. Now go to router 0 because we have connected serial 2 by 0 port, configuration mode, configure serial 2 by 0 and switch it on right here 10.0.0.1. Similarly, go to router 1, serial port 2 by 0, connect it on and right here 10.0.0.2. Now you can see over here my routers are physically connected after assigning the IP address. Everything is green over here. So for the simplicity, we can now remove the port addresses from here. Go to options, preferences. We can click it over here. Always show port labels. We can click, we can show it or we can remove it. It's our choice. Now they are physically connected. Now let us check the connectivity between the two networks. So I would like to show you in the simulation mode. First step, always show all oblique none, edit filter, ICMP. This is not the end of the practical, just show, just see. Go to the add simple PDU, click on PC0 and then click on PC3. So we will see my packet is ready. It goes to switch 0 and it goes to router 0 and it is not moving further. If I try it again, it will having the same problem from the other side also, PC3 to PC0. Now you can see packet is moving but it is stopping at router 1 now. That means the only reason is that packet moves from network A but it do not find any paths at router 0, and similarly packet moving from network B do not find any path at router 1. Now here comes into picture the static routing part, because we have to tell the router about the routes. One of the important function of the router is to maintain the routes, and we have to it maintains a routing table. Now go to the router 0 configuration tab, and here is the routing tab. You can see over the routing part. In routing, click on static routing. Now first here we have to write the address of the destination network. So what is the destination network? We want to go to 192.168.20.0. Keep it in mind that we have to write here the destination address, and subnet mask we have to write over here 255 because it is class C network. Dot 255 dot 255 dot 0. In the next hop we have to write the address of the network which is coming in between from router 0 to router 1. That network address is 10.0.0.0 and add it. Now I have told the router is just like putting the entry in the routing table, that if any packet whose destination is 192.168.20.0 network, I am writing over here network address, not the PC address. So then the packet should be forwarded to this 10.0.0 network. Okay, this is just creating a uh, routing table entry manually in static routing. Similarly, go to router 1 and go to static routing. Now again here I want to go to the destination network 192.168.10.0 and mask is 255.255.255.0 and next hop is 10.0.0.0 and add. We have added the entry in the routing table manually. Now we can check the connectivity. Go to simple PDU, click on PC0 and other part is PC3. So we will see the data transfer is successful. Let us see it into the simulation mode. Go to PC1 and then PC4. Packet is ready. Packet goes to switch 0. It goes to router 0. Then it is going to router 1 because we have provided the path now. Then it goes to, now it is not moving for the first time. Let us try it again. Do not get disappointed. Sometimes router takes time to learn. Try it again. Now packet is moving from PC1 to switch 0. It goes to router 0. Then it goes to router 1. This time it has cleared because earlier it was in the learning mode. So this finishes your static routing practical 1. Thank you friends.